You will have pepper and salt.
It has pepper.
It will have
I know it has salt, but I don't think it has pepper.
It will have salt. No,
Does
correct.
it have pepper and all those sticks?
It will have pepper and salt in all of them.
Why are you opening up my sandwich and touching
Because
it
I want
with your bare hands?
I don't have. I'm not touching it.
You didn't touch it
I
yourself.
haven't
Why
touched
did you
it.
open up my
Because I
sandwich
wanted to
like
make sure that it is your sandwich. So do you mind
Well, can't
bringing
you open
this?
up theirs instead and make sure it touches theirs?
He didn't touch your sandwich, okay?
Because you should have gloves on when you're handling the food
No,
like
no,
that.
no, you didn't do that.
We
Don't worry
haven't
about
touched
that.
the sandwich at all.
Okay, that's your sandwich. What kind it is?
So that's not that's his.
Okay, what kind your sandwich?
That was steak and cheese wrap. Steak and cheese wrap.
No,
It's
that was
already
this
done.
one.
Just make sure you do theirs instead next time.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay,
Okay.
sure.
Hand on it and try to
Steak and
gross
cheese?
people
Wrap.
up.
He touched her sandwich with no gloves on. He definitely knows the policy that you're not to touch anything